Hello, welcome here in my space where you can stay motivated and learn new techniques. Here, as you see, the first step of the diptych, and then today, as you see, I'm going to do the second part and to match them together. The first step to match them together is to use the same colors. Don't be focused a lot on doing, it means the matching. You don't need to do that. Just start by using the same colors, the same techniques. Have fun in the beginning, and then by the end we will start matching them. It means having the same colors, having the same movement, trying to feel the connection between both of them, and then you will have for sure the best technique, the diptych that you will be happy with. Hello again. Then now I'm doing some splattering technique. I like that with transparency. Some of them will stay and some of them will leave. I try to do this splattering on both of them, then that they can match more with the technique. So then this is my cat. Very happy I finished finally and I can take care of him. Thank you very much and see you soon in the next video. Bye.